Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan RT, stock number CP15695AT. This van is silver in color, as you can see. It's got the painted front bumper and grille. Fog lights down below. "17" alloy wheels with new tires. Inside it has power mirrors, windows, and locks. Power seats. Leather interior. Steering wheel has all your controls for the radio, cruise control, your voice recognition to make your phone calls. Shifter up on the dash. 6-inch touchscreen radio. Power doors. Seating for 7 inside. And it does have the stow and go seats. Plenty of storage here in the back. And it does have power lift gate right here. Again, we have a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan RT, stock number CP15695AT. I'm Lucas Purden. Come out and see us in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or give us a call at 937-778-0830.